What's up, oh you crazy box breaking card collecting football fans? This is Scott from liveboxbreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live at 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. And this is the 2012 Panini Elite football break. Here's the roster. And one more reminder, got one spot left in the triple threads about a half hour from now. So if you're interested, take a look, grab that last spot. And here's the box for tonight. And here we go. This one is 20 packs with 5 cards per pack. Sorry about that. And here we go, pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Jags, Blaine Gabbert. Falcons, Julio Jones. Saints, Jimmy Graham. Spacer. Ravens, Ray Lewis. And Niners, Brandon Jacobs. Bears, Matt Forte. Steelers, Richard Mendenhall. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. That's the perforated one. AJ Green for the Bengals and Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Lions, Matthew Stafford. Patriots, Rob Gronkowski. Rookie Elite Series, Broncos, Ronnie Hillman. Spacer. Packers, Clay Matthews. Bucks, Josh Freeman. Broncos, Von Miller. Niners, Vernon Davis. Rookie Elite Series, the black parallel, TJ Graham of the Bills. That one numbered 13 out of 49. And the Bills tonight are going to Razzo 1. Nice short print hit, Razzo. Chiefs, Eric Berry. Falcons, or Matthew Ryan. Jags, Maurice Jones-Drew. Falcons, Michael Turner. Cardinals, Michael Floyd. This one numbered 250 out of 399. Cardinals tonight are going to FC 1979. Spacer. Giants, Eli Manning. Browns, Greg Little. Niners, Frank Gore. Broncos, Peyton Manning. Lions, Calvin Johnson. Elite Series. This one numbered 659 out of 999. Lions tonight are going to Nyber B-Ball 13. Spacer. Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. And Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Raiders, Carson Palmer. Cowboys, Jason Witten. Looks like the first hit is going to be a redemption. Rookie Elite Series signature, card number 14. It's pretty small print. Hopefully we can get it in focus here for you. There we go. And that one's going to Stephen Hill. That's the Jets. Jets tonight are going to Razzo1. Congratulations, Razzo. Got the first hit. Bears, Brandon Marshall. And Ravens, Joe Flacco. Cowboys, Tony Romo. Niners, Patrick Willis. Texans, Matt Schaub. The Back to the Future jersey patch for the Chiefs, Buck Buchanan. Chiefs tonight going to 2011 Walnut 78. This one is numbered 188 out of 199. Titans, Matt Hasselbeck. And Vikings, Jared Allen. Cardinals, Larry Fitz. Bears, Brian Urlacher. Chris Long, hit list for the Rams. This one numbered 687 out of 999. Spacer. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. And Jets, Mark Sanchez. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Jets, Tim Tebow. Seahawks, Tavares Jackson. Rams, James Laurinaitis. And Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Panthers, Steve Smith. Eagles, Michael Vick. Eagles rookie, Marvin McNutt. That one numbered 146 out of 999. That one going to Chief Fan 31. Spacer. And Dominican Sue for the Lions. And Steven Jackson for the Rams. Cardinals, Kevin Cobb. Saints, Drew Brees. Rookie for the Dolphins, Jeff Fuller. That is the die cut. This one numbered 53 out of 92. Dolphins going to Razzo 1. Falcons, Roddy White. And Saints, Marquez Colston. Bears, Jay Cutler. Texans, Arian Foster. Dolphins, Jonathan Martin. That one numbered 861 out of 999. Spacer. Andy Dalton on the Bengals. And Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. Redskins, Brian Arakpo. Patriots, Tom Brady. Rookie autograph for the Jets, Terrence Ganaway. Jets tonight going to Razzo 1. This one numbered 334 out of 599. Congratulations, Razzo. Next, Lions, Calvin Johnson. And Rams, Sam Bradford. Saints, Darren Sproles. Bears, Devin Hester. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Steelers, Heath Miller. And Packers, Charles Woodson. Redskins, Roy Halou Jr. Bengals, Benjarvis Green Ellis. Rookie for the Rams, Chris Givens. That one numbered 416 out of 799. Spacer. Bucks, LeGarrette Blount. And Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Raiders, Carson Palmer. Cowboys, Jason Witten. Ooh, very nice for the Bengals. Rookie, nice size patch. 1, 2, 3 colors with some nice stitching down the middle in orange. Bengals tonight are going to Chiefs Fan 31. Very nice hit, Rick, and that is a prime patch, numbered 18 out of 49. You want more look at that one? Eagles, Deshaun Jackson, and Broncos, Willis McGahee. Panthers, Cam Newton. Raiders, Richard Seymour. Rams, perforated, Steven Jackson. Spacer. Ravens, Anquan Bolden. And Jets, Darrell Revis. 2 packs to go. Cowboys, DeMarco Murray. Niners, Alex Smith. Browns rookie, Travis Benjamin. This one numbered 153 out of 999. Chiefs, Peyton Hillis. And Chargers, Antonio Gates. Last pack of the box. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Cardinals, Beanie Wells. Patriots, Wes Welker. Spacer. Packers, Greg Jennings. And Titans, Chris Johnson. Thanks everybody for getting in the break. One more reminder, got one spot left in the triple threads, about 20 minutes out, so take a look and grab a spot, or have a good weekend. Night, guys.